Let's focus on our forecast now. KDKA First Alert meteorologist Ron Smiley joining us. And Ron, it definitely feels a lot cooler out there now.
Yeah, it certainly does. And, you know, it's going to be those ups and downs, Eric, over the next couple of days that are really going to bring out the colors in those plants and the trees out there. Yeah, we're going to start to see those colors popping over the next week to 2 weeks. So it's going to be fun to watch. Temperatures right now at 60 degrees outside, winds out of the west at 3 miles an hour. The dew point coming in at 44 degrees. Dew point even at this time. It's always important, especially when it dips into the 30s. That means that those temperatures, at least in the morning, can fall into the 30s and we could have some frost. And it does look like over the next couple of days we will have some chances for some frost across the region. Temperatures right now, most communities are hovering there near 60 degrees, including Beaver 63, Greensburg not quite there yet, 59, Connellsville coming in right there at 60 degrees. No big warm up from here. Only expecting us to get back to around 65 for our high temperature today. Call it partly cloudy. We did have some patchy fog around this morning. We'll still be dealing with some off and on clouds this afternoon. I did put in also a 20%. We still have these winds coming in out of the northwest, pushing in this colder air. So I do have a 20% chance for an isolated shower. If you see something, maybe a sprinkle or two would be just north of I-80. That would be about it. So high temperatures today about 65, should be hit at around 3, 4, 5 o'clock this afternoon. By 8 o'clock, we're looking at a temperature of 59, 54 at 11 o'clock. And overnight tonight, I have temperatures dipping all the way down to the mid to low 40s, just kind of depending on where you are. I actually have us down, I believe, at around 43 degrees as we bottom out at about 6 or 7 o'clock in the morning hours. High temperatures back today. You can see them here. Most communities just into the mid 60s. I do think we'll see some communities a little bit warmer than that 65 in Pittsburgh, including places like Beaver at 67. Usual suspects like Johnstown, Somerset area. Up in Franklin, you're going to struggle just to get back to the 60-degree mark. Cool weather is going to stick around for the next couple of days. In fact, we have another cool shot of air that is expected to arrive late tomorrow night. Now, this is going to bring with it some frost chances. If you're in Pittsburgh, I think the frost chance comes in on Friday, but anything north of Pittsburgh, Butler County, Beaver County, off to the north, you'll actually have a chance even on Thursday to potentially see some frost. So just kind of a heads up there that some frost is going to be around. Let's take another quick look. I just want to talk a little bit about what's going on in the Gulf of Mexico. Check in on Hurricane Milton. We continue to see that eye developing at this point as it's starting to pull away from the Yucatan Peninsula. Still a lot of strong winds there into the Yucatan. One of the things I just kind of added this morning, what's going to be looking at the wind speeds. Now, the yellow is going to be tropical depression, storm force wind. So we're looking at that point, winds topping right at 40 miles an hour, or right just shy of 40 miles an hour, I should say. The orange is going to be 40 mile an hour winds or greater. And then the hurricane force winds is going to be that red right there where you're seeing. That's going to slide all the way across the Florida Peninsula. Man, it is going to be, Milton's going to be a nasty storm, unfortunately, and one that is unfortunately going to be for the record books. Record flooding will be possible there along with those strong winds. Here's your 7-day, some potential first alert weather days coming up Thursday and Friday.